Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in the previous videos we have taken a look at various types of different micro USB cables, and we have compared the ratings using our very simple method. So what we do is basically we measure the voltage drop in the cable, and then we compare the cable. So in my previous videos we have taken a look at a cheap cable that I bought from a local market, and then we compared the Motorola cable, then the Anker cable. We also tested the Aukey cable, and so far the maximum voltage we were able to get was with Anker, because the voltage drop in that cable was very low. And we measure all these cables at a constant current, which is 1.6 amperes. So we will try to do the same with this UGREEN micro USB 1 meter long cable at 1.6 ampere, and we will measure how much voltage drop do we get when compared to all these cables. So before we do that, let us take a look at the cable. So this came in this packaging. The packaging looks very substantial. It looks very good quality cable. On the package there is no model number, nothing given. It just says Smart Digital Life UGREEN. At the back it says UGREEN Group Limited. Here is the barcode, and you can see that micro USB 2.0 cable, 1 meter long, metal and white color. So let me just take it out. Let's keep the box aside. So in the cable, first you get this velcro strap for cable management. Let's keep that aside as well. And here is the main cable. The cable is close together this twisting wire. So let me just open that, and here is the cable, and you can see that there is a little bit of golden tint to the connectors. So the connectors could be or may not be very good quality, but certainly the color looks really promising to me. The cable in my hand feels very good quality. Feels like a rubber texture. It's not easily going to slip from your hands. And let's take a look at another. So here is the connector of another USB cable, and you can clearly see the color difference between these two cables. That the UGREEN cable is definitely some kind of gold plated. I don't know if they are actually gold plated or not. The cable is definitely 1 meter long, and the connector feels really good. These are metal connectors, and looks like they are made of some kind of aluminum alloy. So without any further delay, let's connect this to our tester. So like our previous test, we use a Motorola turbocharger. Let's turn it on, and now let's plug our USB load, and let's set the USB load to 1.6, and the USB load is already set at 1.6. So let me just connect the cable into our charger. Now we are going to connect the cable into our micro USB input of our load. Here is the micro USB input, and it turned on. So the load is still 1.6 ampere, and the voltage that we are getting is 5.17 volt. So let's just write that down. 5.17 volt. This is the UGREEN cable. So UGREEN cable gave us 5.17 volt at 1.6 amperes. So you can clearly see that UGREEN cable is still not able to compare to Anker, and still our winner remains the Anker cable, because that gave us the minimum voltage drop, and the voltage was 5.25 volt. If you look at this comparison, you can see that the UGREEN cable is very much compared to Aukey cable, because the Aukey cable also gave us 5.17 volt at 1.6 amperes. So there we go. This was my comparison of the 1 meter long USB cable, and the cable connectors surely looks very promising, but in the end it was very much comparable to Aukey, and could not get the first place. The first place is still occupied by the Anker cable, although the cable still feels very much good quality. That feels very good in the hand. Rubber texture, metal connectors. What else do you need in a micro USB cable? So there we go. This was my comparison of the UGREEN 1 meter long a metal USB 2.0 cable that came with this cable management strap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, give this video a like, consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.